So, have you heard about this Etekcity smart scale? It's more than just a scale, you know?
Oh, really? What's so special
Yeah.
about it?
Well, it's like not just measuring weight.
Mm-hmm.
It tracks 13 different body metrics.
Wow, 13, like what?
Exactly. Things like BMI, body fat percentage, muscle mass, and more.
Right.
It's pretty comprehensive.
That's impressive. Does it
I
connect to
know.
an app or something?
Yeah, it syncs with the VSync app via Bluetooth.
Oh, nice.
And it's compatible with other apps like Apple Health, Samsung Health, Google Fit, even Fitbit and MyFitnessPal.
So you can keep all your fitness data in one place? That's really handy.
Exactly. And they've got these unique modes too.
Like
There's
what?
Secret mode where you can track progress without displaying numbers.
Oh, that's great for people who might be anxious about numbers.
Absolutely. And there's zero current mode for pregnant women or those with medical implants. It only
I
measures
see.
weight and BMI.
They really thought about different users.
They did. Get this, it's rechargeable. No
Really?
more swapping out batteries.
That's a big plus. I'm always forgetting to buy batteries.
Same here. And reviewers are raving about its accuracy and ease of use.
Yeah?
One person even said it's better than their old Fitbit scale at a fraction of the cost.
Interesting. But do you think it can really be as accurate as the more expensive models?
Good question. Well, with over 130,000 reviews and a 4.7 out of 5 stars,
Wow.
that's pretty solid evidence of its quality.
True, but sometimes these scales can overcomplicate things. Isn't just tracking weight enough for most people?
I get what you're saying, but knowing more about your body composition can help tailor your fitness journey. It's not just about the weight, but understanding muscle mass, body fat, all that.
I suppose that makes sense, and the app support seems useful.
Definitely. Plus, it has a baby mode, so you can weigh your little ones.
Oh, that's
and even a
cute.
lock mode to prevent your pets from messing up your data.
Ha! Didn't think about that. My dog has probably added a few pounds to my scale readings.
See? They've thought of everything. And with
Yeah.
the app, you get graphs and trends over time.
That could really help stay motivated.
Exactly. It's about the journey, not just the numbers.
True.
And at under $50, it's a great value.
Yeah, compared to other smart scales, that's a good deal.
For sure. Oh, and did I mention it's HSA FSA eligible?
No way.
So you can use your health spending accounts to purchase it.
That's a bonus. But is there anything it's missing?
Well, some users wish it had more display options on the scale itself, so you
I can
wouldn't
see
always
that.
need your phone to see certain metrics.
Yeah, sometimes you just want quick info without the app.
Exactly. But overall, it seems to offer a lot for the price. Maybe
Definitely.
it's worth checking out.
I might just do that. Always good to
Awesome.
find tools that help us stay on top of our health.
Oh, and they offer protection plans through Asurion.
Oh?
You can get a 2-year or 3-year plan that covers accidental damage and malfunctions.
That's good to know. I tend to be a bit clumsy.
Haha, same here. Plus, if you're a Prime member, you get free delivery and access to streaming services.
Nice.
And returns are free within 30 days if you're not satisfied.
That's reassuring. So overall, it seems like a solid deal.
Definitely. For anyone looking to get a better handle on their health metrics, it's worth considering.
Agreed. You know, I might just give it a try.
Let me know how it goes. Maybe
Will
we can
do.
compare stats.
Haha, friendly competition, I'm in.
Awesome. It's all about staying motivated.
Exactly.